Alright, so welcome to lecture 6. In this lecture, we will learn how to use and navigate around the WordPress dashboard. In the previous lecture, we learned how to install WordPress using the auto installer and manually installing WordPress. In this lecture, we will learn how to use the WordPress dashboard. The first thing first, we need to log into our website, and we will need to log into our website using the admin privileges. In order to make changes to our website, we will need the admin privileges in order to make some kind of changes. Why is this needed? Most of the time, when you visit a website, you may not be able to make some changes. But in some use cases, you may be able to make some changes. But that too only as a regular user. It can be as a customer, it can be as a shop manager, a vendor, or just a student on a university portal. In this case, this is our website. So we need to make changes the way we would like. So let's go ahead and let's log in. Whenever you want to log in, append the wplogin.php or wpadmin.php in order to log into your website. In the previous lecture, we installed our website on codewithhashim.com/course. In order to log into our website, we will need to go codewithhashim.com/course/wplogin.php. So enter your credentials, click on login, and that shall redirect us to the WordPress admin dashboard. Alright, so first thing first, it may feel a little bit overwhelming, but this is quite simple and sleek. On the top left hand side, you see that we have a WordPress logo that takes us back to the WordPress.org website. If we click on our amazing site, this will take us to the homepage. So let's see what is the difference between when an admin login and how it will look like when a normal user visits it. So I will copy this and let's visit our website. And this is how a normal user will see it. Notice that there is no admin bar. Let's close it. We'll go back. And now if I click on our amazing site, keep in mind our amazing site is coming from the title on what we set during the installation. We will change it in a little bit. Okay. Next to that, we have this comment section and this new button where we can create a post. We can add a media, a page, and a user. We will look on that one by one. On the top right hand side, we have that logo where we can edit our profile or we can simply log out from our website. We have some screen options. So if you want to toggle some widgets, you can do that as well. If you install some third-party plugins, you will see some more widgets in here as well. Right now, we do not have any other plugins or theme installed, so we're not seeing that many widgets. On the left hand side, if you click right below the home, if you click on updates, this tab will show us if there is a plugin or a theme, which we will learn in the near lectures. We'll see that, or even the WordPress software, we will see that if any update is pending, this will show up in here. Next is post. We can add a new post, we can add a new category, manage category, add a tag, and manage tags. A post is basically an article on a news website. We can add media to our website as well. Images, videos, PDF files, fonts, and this kind of media. Next is the page option. Same goes for it. We can add a new page, edit a page. A page can be a contact us page, an about us page, a home page, and something similar. We can manage our comments. We can delete that. We can approve that. We can reply to that comment, quick edit or edit it, or even we can spam that. We can click on appearance to manage themes. A theme basically control the look and layout of our website. We will learn more about that in the near lectures. Next is the plugins. Plugins are basically small software that we can plug in our website and we can add a functionality or we can extend the existing functionalities of our website. In the user section, we can add a new user, someone who can subscribe to us, or maybe our customer, or different roles like author, editor, or an admin. Next is tool. In the tool, we can import some kind of content to our website. We can export it. We can check the site health as well. If there is something that needs to be changed or done, we can do that from here. Next is settings. In the settings, you will find everything about that has to do something with your website. For example, the site title that we were talking about. Let's say we want to create some kind of website about coding. So we can say coding wizards. Tagline, we can just give it like this. So where all coding genius come together. Like that. I will never recommend you to change the WordPress address and the site address from here unless you're an expert and then you can handle the rest of it. You can see that you can change admin email address. You can allow membership. So if you want people like the public people to log in and register to your website, you can click on that, and this will enable the user registration, login, and logout functionality. You can also assign the role to be a subscriber, a contributor, author, editor, and administrator. In the writing section, we can handle something about what we post on the site. In the reading settings, we can manage and handle the homepage display, whether we want it to be like post that we publish or a static page. How many blog posts do you want to show? And the rest about like the excerpt and the syndication field. The last option in this case is search engine visibility. If you are just developing your website and it's in the staging area, you wanted to make sure that this option is turned on. Whenever you publish your website and you want some audience to come visit your website, then you can turn that off. Then click on save changes to save the changes. You can manage the comment setting from here. Then you have the media setting. If you want to have some kind of thumbnail size, you want to determine what should be the medium size, what should be the large size, you can do everything from here. This is probably the most important setting in your website. And I say that because this has everything to do with your website structure, SEO, and performance overall. This can determine the success of your business. So, for good practices and for better SEO, I would recommend to set the permalink structure to post name. If you ever face some problem where all of your links are messed up, just make sure that you go to settings, click on permalink structure, click on post name, and then click on save changes. This will make sure that it will restore all the settings and you will have your amazing site back. That's it for the WordPress dashboard. Hope you enjoyed this lesson and I shall see you next time.